My name is Chef Moffat, as you can see, and I am in the center of Leruat Log Resort. This is the main place, this is the kitchen, and I'm the head chef.
So we are in the kitchen right now. This kitchen serves the whole establishment. It's such a spacious, such a nice kitchen. So we'll go and talk to one of our chefs. Moffat, how are you today?
I'm easy.
So what are you preparing for us today?
I think if you're here at Mulima, you'll have the best free-leg chicken.
Oh,
I think in the whole of Kajiado. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, sure. Our menu is very simple, and we only work on and all use the local ingredients. And with our simplicity, we are able to make the simple meals look classy and appetizing. We're just simple and yet elegant, but classy, you know.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Our food is here.
Yes, please. So in case someone asks you why people come to Leruat, this is one of the evidence. This is, well, I think this is what they call with local language Kenyaji chicken. Yet made in very simple way, yet looks so classy.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Yeah.
So it's just Kenyaji. And what have you done to the potatoes? They look so interesting.
Just fancying it, you know, like these are just local potatoes, but you just put it just to simple ideas, but just to make it more appetizing and more, you know,
it's
colorful.
very appealing to the eye.
Yes, I hope you'll enjoy it.
Thank you very much.
You're very much welcome.
So wait, guys, you're seeing the nice meal that's right in front of me. I'm so hungry and I cannot wait to dig in. I mean, this smells amazing. All thanks to our lovely chef, Moffat. Right now we are at the Clubhouse, which is just next to some of the cottages. You can actually see from the furniture of this place, it's very unique, it's very clubby. You can actually sit down, enjoy a few drinks with your friends. The furniture is very, very unique. I mean, you can see it's not your typical kind of seats. So have a look around and enjoy the place. So right now we're actually standing outside the lounge. It has a very cozy feel. I can't wait for you guys to just see that right now. So there's a fireplace. It has a nice sitting area. The couches are so comfortable. It's actually a place where you can just sit down with your friends, catch up in a warm environment, have a few drinks, have a few meals, and, you know, enjoy as your night goes away. So let's check that place out. guys have gotten to see how the lounge looks like. I'm sure you guys loved it. It's a very cozy place where you can just have a few drinks with your friends, sit down, have a light moment, enjoy the TV, enjoy the fire. This place gets really cold at night. And there's one thing that actually struck me about this place. When they're serving their doubles, you know, doubles of whiskey, they don't serve it in the glass. They actually give it in 2 miniature bottles. So you have no worries when it comes to anyone tampering with your drink. So here you can see I have my 2 doubles, and yeah, so I think this is pretty cool. So if you'd like any contacts to the places where we visit, hit us up on our YouTube page, our Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter. Keep it Kwetu. Keep it Kwetu.